Good morning and welcome to the 2021-22 school year for Tacoma Online. I'm your host, Gracie, and my pronouns are she, her. I'm excited to be here today to kick off the 2021-2022 school year and officially launch Tacoma Online, the school. Please give yourself a high five or a pat on the back for getting to our virtual assembly. Today, you will hear from our principals and assistant principals and learn about our school. I'd like to start off with our principal, Adam Poulos.
All right, good morning. Welcome to TOL. So we're super excited to have you back this year. If you're brand new to us, we're excited for that also. I know that we have students and parents out there watching our first kind of live assembly kickoff. This will be a format that we're excited to embrace in this online world to give us an opportunity to connect with you guys. We're going to keep it brief because we're excited to get you diving into the next 3 days, but I did want to kind of highlight a few different pieces. So intentionally, these first 3 days are designed to sort of accelerate or create an opportunity for a couple of really key things. The first is that we want to start developing relationships. We know that in terms of the pandemic, the last year of school, we were excited last year to have over 5,000 kids and navigate that to come online. We're even more excited this year with the staff that we've assembled and the students we have to really go long on this opportunity to connect, not only with our staff and our teams, but also with other students. And so relationships will be a huge driver over the course of the next 3 days. The other piece that we're super excited to support is helping you launch into this year with successful tools and tricks and pieces that help you kind of navigate Tacoma Online. So we're going to teach you how to log into different platforms. We're going to talk to you about kind of different schedules and how to access teachers and different resources. And so that'll be really, really important over the next 3 days. And then finally, the last piece I want to talk about is really just Tacoma Online as a whole. Our #1 goal for you this year, and what we're asking your support in helping us build the program is around personalizing. And so we want to create a school that is designed for each student within our school, and that won't come without partnership. And so for the parents that are on this live meeting, know that we're excited to hear your voice and continue to reflect on feedback that you provide, and we're just excited to dive in and constantly chase better. Super excited. So with that, I'm going to introduce one of our assistant principals who's going to welcome you and talk specific to sort of our kindergarten through 5th grade program. So without further ado, Ms. Christy Stanek-Wolford.
Good morning, everyone. I'm so excited to be here. As Adam mentioned, my name is Christy. You can call me Christy, or more formally, Miss Wolford, Miss Stanek-Wolford, Miss Wolfie, as some of the kindergarten students like to call me. I'm so excited to be here to welcome you today. And I forgot to mention, my pronouns are she, her. And again, I'm excited to be here and talk to you a little bit about what does personalization mean at K-5. And as a former K-5 parent, teacher, educator, I know that the #1 piece to that puzzle and making sure that every student feels successful is that opportunity to connect with an adult who knows them and knows what they need and helps design the learning specific to them. We have many opportunities this year, not being constrained by the brick and mortar school and hours of the day. And our goal is to provide you with a menu of many opportunities where you can engage live eventually as it gets more safe, even in person for activities, and as well as chances where you can join asynchronously, because we know each and every one of you has a different unique need from this program, and we're really excited to work with you and personalize that experience for our K-5 families. Next up, I'm going to introduce Sean Martin, our assistant principal, and he's going to talk to you a little bit more about personalization and the power of anyone learning. So thank you so much. With that, I'm going to hand it over to Sean. Thank you.
Thank you, Christine. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a new year and welcome to a new school with Tacoma Online. As Christine mentioned, my name is Sean Martin. Pronouns are he, him, and I'm one of the other assistant principals at Tacoma Online. We all work with kindergarten through 12th grade, but my focus this year will primarily be grades 3 through 8. And I'm very excited to get to know as many of you as I can in the coming days. As I've thought about this year, I've thought about the opportunity that we all have to work together and truly create something powerful and extraordinary. And that begins with you. What you bring to Tacoma Online and what your family brings to Tacoma Online. We're looking forward to building this in a way that serves your needs. And you'll have a chance to engage in school in a way like you never have before. And even if you were at Tacoma Online last year, you'll find new opportunities this year. Yeah, you'll still attend meetings and do assignments, but you'll have a chance to really personalize your learning plan this year. And that will be grounded in your dreams and your goals. One of the great things about Tacoma Online is that all students have a coach. And you'll be meeting with that coach weekly to review your dreams, to set goals, and accomplish those goals. And sometimes we know that you won't accomplish those goals, and that's okay, because we know that if you're not failing, you're not trying. And one of the great things, one of the quotes that I love about dreams is dreams without goals are just dreams. And we know that you're going to do amazing things this year and look forward to seeing that in action. So have a great first day. We look forward to seeing you, and we're here to support you. And next, I'd like to introduce another assistant principal, Mr. Paul Elliott.
Good morning, my name is Paul Elliott. My pronouns are he, him, and I'm overseeing the high school part of Tacoma Online. In my mind, Tacoma Online is about preparing for life after high school, at the high school level. Here at Tacoma Online, we're building a program to empower you to be in control of your own destiny. Our goal is that you're college or career ready when you leave this program, and we'll work with you to help you achieve your goals no matter what your path. To me, personalization at Tacoma Online means empowerment. We're a 21st century school aiming to arm you with success skills to be a leader in the 21st century. So I want to thank you again for being here, welcome you to your first day of school, and welcome for joining us on this bold new adventure. Thank you.
Okay, and what's next? You're going to go to your PACE class team and join your class meeting at 9 a.m. and work through your Jumpstart activities provided by your PACE teacher. Most importantly, have a fun first day, and thank you. Bye-bye. I didn't know what to do. Okay,